In this video, we are going to be going over sanitizer mix, prep, and safety. Whether filling a labeled spray bottle or a sanitizer bucket, you want to make sure that the water is hot coming out of the faucet. Even when using pre-mixed sanitizer solution, we need to make sure that the sanitizer is between 200 parts per million and 400 parts per million. We do that by taking a sanitizer strip, dipping it in the sanitizer solution for around 5 seconds, and then compare it to the chart provided with the sanitizer strips. Because sanitizer breaks down over time, it is important to remember to change and replace sanitizer every few hours or when it becomes cloudy. If you should happen to get solution in your eyes or ingest it, safety procedures can be found in the SDS manual under section 4 located here.